Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to host a website using GitHub within 2 minutes. Let's start the video. Create a new repository. Name your repository. I will name as web. Don't make any changes here. Here you can see uploading an existing file. Choose your desired file here. Click commit changes. Click the settings icon. Scroll down. You can see pages. Next, click the save button. Refresh your page. See here, this is your link. Now your website is online. Click visit site. Guys, the website is live now. You can share the link with others. That's it guys. Thank you for watching.